Hello and welcome to this video where I will explain how can you create your own AI avatar using Heygen. This task is very simple because Heygen allow you to create your own AI model and even custom avatar. Well, the first thing is head over to the Heygen main website and sign in your account. You can use your Google or any other account for creating account on Heygen. If you take a look on the left top, you will see my profile. Now time to create AI avatar in this bar. You will see different options. From these, you have to select the option Avatar. Click on it. The first option is Create New Avatar. And if I scroll down, here you will see some pre-made avatars of Heygen. In order to use it, click on any of these. And here you can do multiple things. But the main thing that is, if I click on it here, I can write my script and can upload my audio. Then this avatar will do the same voiceover just like my script or my audio. So now time to create custom AI avatar. I will move back to here. On the top you will see the option of create new avatar. Click on it. And here you will see 3 option: realistic avatar, custom avatar, or generate with the help of AI. Do whatever you want. By now I will use this custom avatar, so I will click on it. And then it's saying drag and drop photos. I'll click on the option select photo, and then my computer will be open, and I will choose a picture from there. So let me do it. So I use this picture, it's a random picture. Scroll down and tap on the option upload. Now it's reweaving my picture, and once it will be approved, then continue option will be enabled. So let's wait until that time. Now it's completed. Click on the option continue, and here you have to write your avatar name. So let me write, after writing, I need to specify the age, click on it. And here select that you prefer and also select the gender and ethnicity. And it's like this. Now click on the option continue. Now my AI avatar is almost ready. Here I can do 2 things. I can add a voice, and I can choose a voice if I have. If I click on this option, add a voice, here I can choose a voiceover for my avatar. So here I will choose a random voice. And then I will click on option add voice. Now avatar has been created, and if I click on it, and here it's saying upload at least 10 pictures of your avatar for highest resemblance. To click on upload photos, and then click on the option train model. Once your model will be trained, you can use this avatar, and that's it.